Well, I left the jungle, well, the waterfront jungle on the river, and now I'm heading up the hill. It's a bit about 20 minutes walking up these very steep hills. So I didn't record very much because I'm not sure if you guys want to hear me breathing for or gasping for air. It's a workout. There's a beautiful home up there. And there's a driveway up there, if you can believe it. Another one there. Some gorgeous homes that are here. You've got there's the highest point, if you could see over there, which I hike to tomorrow. And 90% of the time the clouds cover that point, but that's the only point that you can see two oceans, and of course the majestic Panama Canal, which two oceans meet. There's a little bit of a height difference. Of course, the topography here is insane. And I've been, like I said, been walking uphill for a long time. There is no breaks here. I just want to take you along on the journey with me. I feel like you're on top of the world here. And that eerie mist that comes across this area, it's an incredible phenomenon. It's gonna be sunny and beautiful. And within 5-10 minutes, this mist comes across the area. Very tranquil, peaceful place. I guess someone's gonna be building a home here. This is the biggest and the oldest gated community. So there's about 2,000 homes here. A lot of expats and Panamanian political figures that have residences here. Local Panamanian can get in here. It costs them about $20 to enjoy a lot of the natural parks that are here and rivers. I'm very blessed. I'm staying at a friend's house here, so I get to experience all this and share it with you, that if you're looking for a tranquil and peaceful getaway, I highly would recommend the northern part of Panama City in the mountains. And if you like nightlife and you like the bar scene and the club scene, man, Panama City's an hour away. Beaches are incredible, which I'll be doing a video the next couple of days going to the beach. I found some fishing holes that I'll be recording. But this is how quiet and peaceful it is. It's Wednesday, middle of the day, and not a human in sight. It's just myself and the camera and you watching with me. Some of these homes are very modest, very cute, clean. And also we have estates, big palaces that are here. Some beautiful, gorgeous homes. Well, I'm heading home now myself. Gonna take a shower. I sweated up a storm. Saw some waterfalls, sloths, monkeys, and even I get to bump into little baby Jesus along my travels, which is super cool. Check that out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. I'll be exiting now.